Comfort, elegance, and functionality await you at Polaris, your cozy student haven in vibrant Los Angeles. Your new private room in this stunning 14-bedroom apartment is complete with a warm bed for restful snoozes, a dedicated study space, and air conditioning plus heating to keep you comfortable in all seasons. Breeze through chores with the in-unit washer and dryer and dishwasher. The kitchen is fully equipped with all you need to embark on culinary adventures. Kickstart the morning with an intense workout in the fitness centre, then head to the beautiful garden for a stroll. There's a conference room plus public area Wi-Fi so you can crush academics. Your vehicles have a home too in the parking. Feel extra secure with a smart lock, security camera, and locker. Getting to campus has never been easier with the University of Southern California and Columbia West College just a few minutes away by car. Hop on a bus from Normandy Stops or catch the light rail from Western Stations. So grab your spot at Polaris Los Angeles today with amberstudent.com